Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about top must-know structural engineering softwares. If you want to have a successful structural engineering career, then you should know at least these 6 softwares. Let's start. First one is STAAD. It is owned by Bentley and the user interface of the software is this. It is basically used for analysis and design purpose. Using this software, we can model complicated geometries and do the structural analysis. We will get shear force diagram, bending moment diagram, deformation profiles, stress contours, etc. as output. We can do the structural design according to various country standards in STAAD. Next one is ETABS. It is owned by CSI. You can see the user interface here. It is also used for analysis and design purpose. It is basically a competitor of STAAD. We can do all the tasks we are doing in STAAD in ETABS also. STAAD is popular in India, whereas ETAB is more popular outside India. So if you want to work outside India, then you should know ETABS. Third one is SAP 2000. It is also owned by CSI. You can see the user interface here. It is also used for analysis and design purpose. It is basically an advanced version of ETAB where we can do more complicated and enhanced analysis jobs which may not be required for commercial purposes. But we may require such jobs for R&D. So if you are doing your master's or doctoral studies, then you should know SAP 2000. Fourth one is SAFE. It is also owned by CSI and you can see the interface here. It is used for analysis and design of foundations and pre-stress slab. Using this software, we can model various complicated geometries of rafts or mat foundations or combined footings, etc. and do the design according to various country standards. Fifth one is RCDC. It was owned by S-Cube but currently acquired by Bentley. So now RCDC is a part of STAAD. It is basically a design and detailing software. So if you do your analysis in STAAD, ETAB or SAP, we can take that output and give us an input to RCDC. So it will provide us detailed calculations and drawings according to that analysis results. Sixth one is AutoCAD. It is owned by Autodesk. It is basically a drafting software. We all know the final output of a structural engineering job is drawings. So we should know at least the basics of drafting. These are the 6 must-know structural engineering jobs. You should know at least these softwares to have a successful engineering career. Thank you.